everybody. Taking a live look at Domenico's on the wharf right now. Looking really beautiful out there. Temperatures in the upper 50s with calm winds. I'll have the latest and more in my full forecast in just a moment.
Almost to the Monterey County Fair.
Almost to the Monterey County Fair as well. We have exciting events happening this week and some beautiful weather happening as well. Temperatures right now in the 50s this morning all across the board. Temperatures will then be going up later today. 58 Monterey, 53 Big Sur, 58 Santa Cruz, and 57 in Watsonville. As we are seeing some lingering over in the Monterey Peninsula, but will start to go away as we get into the afternoon hours. Look at that, clear skies ahead of us today.
All right, Tianan, what do we got with our forecast? Well, you mentioned the clouds, but hopefully some clearing up soon.
Yes, there will be some clearing up a little bit later, but as of right now, it is a little bit cloudy outside. Visibility is looking good though. This is the Mount Toro camera we have ahead of us today, looking really cloudy like I mentioned. Temperatures are in the 50s this morning over in Salinas, but those winds are very calm, so some good news there. Temperatures are in the upper 50s, a little bit cooler than what we were seeing yesterday. We were seeing 60s in certain regions, like over in Santa Cruz. Santa Cruz right now, 59, almost there. 58 Watsonville, 58 in Monterey, 57 Carmel Valley, and 53 over in Big Sur. Now I'm tracking those winds for you, and they are looking pretty calm right now, and will be on the calmer side later today as well. The most winds we'll be getting would be about 15 miles per hour, but those are going to be mostly in the elevated regions. Now over in the mountains and valleys, sunny skies, warm temperatures, light breeze ahead of us, ranging from 75 to 90 degrees in the higher elevation. Those winds coming in from the northwest around 10 to 15 mile per hour. Now here's what we can expect tonight. Clear, low clouds start to reform, and we are going to be seeing some patchy bay fog. Temperatures are going to be in the low mid 50s, and those winds are going to be calm once again. Now San Francisco looking really nice, 67 degrees today. San Jose 84, 85 in Los Gatos. Temperatures then dropping down into the mid 50s overnight. Now for those of you in the Santa Cruz Mountains, expect those temperatures to be a little bit warmer today, hitting the 70s and 80 degree range. 80 Ben Lomond, 78 Felton, 86 Boulder Creek, Santa Cruz Coast, 74 in Santa Cruz, 70 in Capitola. Temperatures then dropping down into the 50s overnight. Now, for those of you in our coastal cities, 62 Moss Landing, 64 Marina, 65 Aptos, 90 in Gilroy, and 87 for those of you that are more inland in our near coastal cities, 70 in Salinas, 68 over in Perundale. Now, for those of you in the Monterey Peninsula, expect those temperatures to be stagnant in the 60s, a little bit warmer in Carmel, 68 degrees, 54 low tonight, a little bit cloudy today. Temperatures then dropping down into the 50s overnight. Now for those of you in the Salinas Valley, 80s across the board, 85 King City, 83 Greenfield, 91 in Pinnacles, and as we get into our southern region, 94 Parkfield, 94 Bradley, 90 Lake Antonio. Now for those of you in the Monterey Peninsula, expect those temperatures to be stagnant in the mid 60s, dropping down into the upper 50s overnight with cloudy conditions. Over in Santa Cruz, Watsonville, and Salinas today, a high of 74. Saturday, a high of 79. So beautiful weather ahead of us. Temperatures then dropping down into the upper 50s. And for those of you in our mountains and valleys, we are going to be seeing the 90s up until Sunday. And then on Monday, we're going to go back down to the mid 80s, dropping down into the mid 50s overnight.